On June 26, 2022, while patrolling in West Salem, Wisconsin, a La Crosse County Sheriff's deputy spotted a group of motorcycles approaching from the opposite direction. The deputy noticed one motorcyclist significantly ahead of the group, traveling at a noticeably high speed. The deputy activated his radar, clocking the motorcyclist at 144 miles per hour in a 55 miles per hour zone. When the deputy finally caught up, the motorcyclist had already pulled over and resigned himself to being caught.
Good. Got an R&L Carriers with Wisconsin Motorcycle 492 Robert Boy, 492 Robert Boy.
Earlier that day, the deputy had a brief conversation with the same group at a gas station, advising them to be cautious and ride safely.
Are you the group? What's that?
Yeah, that was stupid.
That was pretty stupid. Well, I think I had you, what, 144 there at one point? Yeah, that's pretty stupid.
Yeah.
I see your driver's license and your proof of insurance?
Yes, sir.
You weren't the group I talked to at Quick Trip, were you?
Yeah.
Didn't I just tell you
Yeah.
not to be an idiot, pretty much?
Yeah.
You got insurance?
Yeah, I think it's in the back, actually.
I appreciate you stopping,
Yeah, that was just stupid.
but that was dumb, man.
Yeah, I know, it's just...
What do you think's gonna happen if you crash at 144 miles an hour?
Yeah, I'm gonna be fucking hurting bad.
If you're hurting at all.
Yeah. Yeah, right, if I'm alive.
So, are you still living on? Okay. All right, buddy. I mean, I can't even give you a break, man.
Yeah,
That's
I know.
ridiculous.
I just seen you.
That's
right?
ridiculous,
That was
man.
just-
That's what's that? It's almost 3 times the speed limit.
Yeah, that was dumb.
All right, stay tight, man.
Yeah, no problem.
How fast does that thing go?
A lot faster than that.
Does it go faster than that?
It's about a 220 bike.
Jesus. What is it? I didn't even look. BMW? It's a nice bike, man.
Yeah, that was just-
I love riding, man. I used to have one too, but
Yeah, and
dude,
I
you guys are, you're gonna
I know.
kill yourself
That was just stupid.
driving like that.
I've been being fucking nice all day too, and I don't know why I just did that.
Okay. Well, it's what it is, man, but
Yeah, can't do much about it now, right?
no. I'll be right back, all right?
A 28-year-old man was issued a $515 citation and had 6 points added to his driver's license.
I really appreciate you stopping. I do. Okay, I appreciate your honesty. I really do. I would normally give you a break.
Right,
At
but-
144 mile an hour, I
understand,
can't. I don't know how to even give you a break that's even,
I totally understand.
that's 89 miles an hour over the speed limit.
Yeah, I totally understand.
Okay, so it's 45 plus. Okay, the fine amount is $515.50. There's 6 points to your driver's license if you're found guilty of this. Okay.
Yep.
Because
On March 16, 2024, during a routine patrol, an officer observed a speeding motorcycle in Holmen, Wisconsin. At this juncture, Zacchaeus was estimated to be driving nearly 100 miles per hour in an area where the speed limit was 55 miles per hour.
White and black Kawasaki. On the Q stoplights, Q and main.
The 18-year-old driver, identified as Zacchaeus, was allegedly traveling significantly above the posted 55 miles per hour speed limit. When the officer initiated a follow without using emergency lights, he observed Zacchaeus glances back and accelerate further.
Speed and stoplights.
Coincidentally, approximately a mile ahead, a La Crosse County Sheriff's deputy was attending to an unrelated vehicle accident. As Zacchaeus neared the scene, he likely assumed the deputy was positioned to deploy spike strips. As a result, he chose to pull over and surrender.
7-Eleven, I believe. Stop.
Show me your hands. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. 118 at gunpoint. At gunpoint.
Watch your crossfire. Watch your crossfire.
Get on the ground.
You guys got him?
Got him.
Yep.
Got him.
Your hands. What the f are you doing? You stupid dumbass.
Ultimately, Zacchaeus was charged with felony vehicle fleeing and received multiple citations amounting to over $900. He was subsequently released on a $1,000 signature bond.
Now you caught a felony. Worth it?
No.
No.
What's your name?
My ID's in my wallet.
I'll come back to him.
Just confirming, was that you that called Allison at gunpoint, or was that Holmen?
10-4. They rolled right up onto my accident scene. We had him at gunpoint there.
Let's get him in front here. Squad. Alright, once again, you got anything on you that's gonna poke me?
Yeah.
Let's get him under cuffs. Let's take his backpack off so we don't have to cut it.
How you pronounce your first name, bud?
Zacchaeus.
Zacchaeus.
You heard?
On January 13th, 2021, a Juneau County deputy tried to pull over a motorcycle for a traffic infraction near Hustler, Wisconsin.
He's in custody. Can you back him up a little bit?
Yeah.
So I can set this plate down?
You're good. Set it down.
Oh, you can set down. How long is this?
You're good. Dad,
Even though the deputy was in a fully marked patrol vehicle with emergency lights and siren on, the motorcycle did not stop. Unfortunately, there was no dash cam footage recorded before this incident.
what hurts? What hurts?
My left leg.
Your left leg?
I got a new
Might as well get EMS to look at his leg.
my ankle on my right.
All right, we'll get it checked out.
Todd faced charges of felony fleeing and felony operating a vehicle while intoxicated.
Pocket?
Yep.
All right. Where's your leg?
The motorcyclist was later identified as 57-year-old Todd Wayman. Following a 4-minute pursuit, the chase was terminated due to safety concerns related to the sandy road conditions and speeds exceeding 90 miles per hour. Shortly afterward, another deputy came into contact with Todd and successfully apprehended him.
You don't want to take the test then, is what you're telling me.
Well, what kind of a test?
Well, I would check your eyes and everything, but what's... Yeah, you were like...
On October 24th, 2024, an officer initiated a traffic stop on a man riding a moped without valid registration. When the officer approached him, the man became defensive and insisted that a license plate was not required for a moped.
I've been driving these my whole life. I know the law behind me. Okay. And you know what? If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. But at this point, based on what I'm seeing, you do need a registration for it, okay? There's no reason to get Mr. G. Is that correct? Okay. So this is a 50cc moped, correct? Yeah. Okay. So what's the model of this thing? That's 19. It's a shiny piece of scooter. Listen, I'm trying to work with you. Turn it off, please. Are you gonna stare at me or are you gonna listen to me? Turn it off. I don't have to listen to you. Excuse me? Say that one more time. Why are you pulling me over? I just told you you need a registration. No, I do not. It's a 50cc. Look it up. I'll force you. Send me That's fine. I'm gonna look it up. Can you please cooperate with my command? Please turn off the motor. I turn it off. Because I don't want you to leave. Right now, this is a traffic stop. Are you arresting me? Well, technically, it's a traffic stop, so you're detained, sir. Why am I being detained? I just told you it's a traffic stop. For what? But right now, I can't even get through this. I just told you need a registration. No, I do not. It's a 50cc. Look it up. I'm not going to say it up. I rode it my whole life. Okay. It's a 50cc. You don't need. What is the make and model of it, sir? You said it's a Japanese. You know the name, make and model? It's right there. Okay. Please. Where's the VIN number for it then? Right here. See, this is why I asked you to turn it off so you can put your dick stand out. No. Excuse me? What was that last? What was that last thing you said to me? What was the last thing you just said? I don't gotta tell you shit. You don't want to tell me anything? I don't need to. Is that right? No problem. I'll talk to this guy. Talk to this guy? Yeah, the way you're talking to me, I'm sure. I'm just talking to you. You're ridiculous. This is Mr. He says he doesn't need a registration for his moped that's 50 cc's, and he keeps telling me to shut the f*** up. So
let's get on the side of the road.
Thank you. So Mr. So this is a 50 cc? I'm not talking to you, I'm talking to her.
I didn't pull you over, sir. Okay? So please direct your questions to the officer.
Correct. And I keep trying to ask you basic questions, but you keep acting like a jerk.
But you're pulling me over on a scooter. Do you got nothing better to do?
Actually,
do you really want to fill out paperwork for this?
This is my job. Okay?
Why don't you do some real crime work and get some heroin out of the street? Maybe find some place to sleep for homeless that sleep downtown, huh?
The officer ran the VIN for the moped and discovered that it had been registered by the previous owner, rendering the suspect's claims invalid. It was also revealed that the man was in possession of invalid tags, which he carried as a precaution.
I have a tag. I wasn't sure if I needed it, but when I bought it off the guy, he said it was 50 cc. So I'm just going off.
I just want to kind of pick your brain, right?
No
not that I'm trying to, make you feel dumb or anything. I just want to ask you a question, right? If this didn't need to be registered like you initially told me, then why would the last owner register it?
I don't understand.
Right, so let's start right there,
I didn't know he had it registered.
No
he just sold it to me, said it's 50 cc. I realized I thought
you're going back and forth on different things. So I'm just going to keep it real with you, right?
Guy.
Listen to me. I'm going to keep it real with you, right? The last guy had it registered, right? I'm going back to what you told me up front. This doesn't have to be registered, you know, not for nothing, but when I stop you, right, I'm not here to give you a hard time. I'm here to do my job. Okay, so
understood.
If the last guy
the man's attitude changed completely once the officer informed him of his mistake, and he subsequently apologized.
Something right, you got a motorcycle endorsement, but you're doing something wrong here. You have to register these.
That I understand. Okay, that I was unaware of. When I bought it from him, I wasn't aware he had it registered.
Sure.
It was dropped off at my doorstep.
You have a tag for this at all?
I have a tag, it's unregistered, but I can register the tag.
You probably might want to do that.
I can do that.
Okay, but I still have a job to do. So I just wanted to make sure you were well informed of everything I was doing while I was doing it, okay?
I understand.
So, do you have any questions at this point?
It's a long ride from Jupiter.
Yeah. Do you have any questions at this point?
Didn't think I'd get stopped on it, thinking it was a 50 cc.
You just bought this, you said?
I just bought this.
Do you have a
bill of sale? I have a title at the house.
Oh, well, if you just bought it, you would have that with you right now, no? So you bought it previously than today? Previous from today?
Yes.
Okay, so it's not like you're just driving it home from where you bought it from.
I'm driving it home from work.
Ah, I see. Where do you work?
Dog's Wood.
He was issued a citation and instructed to arrange alternative transportation for the moped, as he was no longer permitted to drive it.
I'll break this on the road.
Okay.
Do you have somebody who can pick this thing up?
I've done it.
Listen, it's not that I don't trust you. I have a job. Just went by us right here. This is a very dangerous place.
It's not.
I got it,
but
I have a job to do too. Okay, so I got some stuff to do. You want to make some calls to get this thing towed or get it out of here before I'm done? That's fine.
Ridiculous. I got to call AAA for a scooter. Go f yourselves and find a real job.
21-10-50.
After being unable to arrange for the moped to be towed, he requested permission to roll it down the sidewalk, but the officer did not approve this request.
But that being said and considered, it's going to be towed.
No, it's not. I'll sit here all day until I get it picked up.
Stop it.
Jeremy,
if it's
listen.
towed, where does it go?
Jeremy, listen. Listen to me, Jeremy. I want to make this really clear to you, okay? If you drive this thing away, I will have to take you to jail. Do you understand that?
Jeremy, if you don't listen, I'm going to come there
no one said no one's driving.
Bring you there. You need to shut your mouth right now and let me work with the officer.
Well, he's walking away with it, and I have his phone. I don't know what I'm supposed to do with his phone. No, Jeremy, come here.
I got what's important.
Jeremy, come here.
Tell him I'm coming.
He disobeyed the officer's commands and still rolled it down the sidewalk. The officer caught up to him and told he couldn't do that, but instead, the man spat on the officer's arm and was then arrested.
Listen to the officer. You have never
just
been
spit on
in
me?
trouble.
Spit that way.
I have saliva on my arm. I'm really out of options here, Jeremy. I'm sorry.
Did he just spit at you?
Sure. Copy 14, 794. That's enough. That's enough.
11 on 15, 94 cross 14. South Ray Bixby.
Busy walk code 2.
All units 1033 traffic are south 14, calling for 94.
Jeremy, that's enough. Quit resisting, buddy. I'm not resisting. Alpha 14, I have one detained.
One subject detained at 855.